One thing you can do this very year to help yourself, assist yourself this very year, is to start taking every opportunity that comes to your way serious. There is not a joke. I was once like you, even though me as an individual don't always think it's not possible, it's a scam. No. But I'm a kind of person that always doubts too. That it's not possible, it's not real, it's this and that. But I can tell you categorically, when I give it a try, the moment I take a bold steps, yes, the bold step that likely to change your life this very year, the moment I start taking that risk, the moment my life getting transformed. All you need now is to have a purely mindset, the positive mindset, the mindset that knows it is real, it is possible, it can really happen to me. Yes, you can make money online. If you want to know how you can get started without any stress, click the link around this video and you see me there.